Imagine a solution that helps you get immediate roadside assistance at the push of a button. Introducing eRescue, designed to provide the solution you need most with minimum involvement. Meet Tim, always juggling between his professional and personal commitments. That day, like any other day, he was not really expecting this to happen. Ouch! His car breaks down. Upon his preferences, Tim receives the web app link to address the situation online. By entering his car registration number, he is immediately identified and confirms his vehicle details. He is now geo-located and simply selects the type of issue he is facing to be directed to the right assistance services. There you go! The tow truck is on its way. He is able to track the tow truck's location in real time and knows precisely how long it will take based on the traffic conditions. He is now feeling confident. His car is ready to be towed. And his experience doesn't end here. After arriving at the garage, Tim benefits from the customer satisfaction program and provides a feedback on his experience straight away. This way, Tim knows his voice will be heard if anything happens. Tim is satisfied with the quality of services delivered. eRescue by AXA.